In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this AI tools directory. The directory will be fully featured. If you click on one of the tools, you can get a description of it and the related tools. In addition to that, there is an admin dashboard where you can add new tools, and you can also edit existing ones. But the best part is this is fully SEO optimized. If we take a look at the code, the HTML that's actually served up to Google every time this page loads, we can see that the meta tags are dynamically injected, and what Google sees is a unique meta title and a meta description for every single page in this SPA app. In short, Google will love this app and it will index every single page. For this project, we will be using Lovable Cloud, and it's going to make things a lot easier because we don't have to set up a database. We don't have to worry about setting up the authentication and where we're going to store our data. All that is taken care of. So let's get into it. Now, to build this directory, we are going to need a project requirements document or a PRD, and we can get that over in the Online Ninja community. Once you're in the Online Ninja community, just head to Classroom, scroll down, click on Lovable SEO, and you'll see this section here, Lovable Cloud AI Directory V2. What we want to do is take a copy of this PRD. So I'm just going to copy it. Once you've got a copy of it, we want to go over to Lovable. We're just going to paste it in. Not going to go through it because it's huge, and we're just going to go. Let's see what happens. Now you can see it's thought for a few seconds, and now it's asking us to enable the cloud. This is going to allow Lovable to build the back end, set up any LLMs that the app might need, and really just do everything for us. So we'll allow that. Okay, so that is finished, and we seem to have our AI tools directory built in pretty much in one hit. I did encounter one issue that I've just fixed. This image wasn't showing, so I just asked it to fix it. But apart from that, everything is good to go. It has created a test@test.com account, so you can see I'm authenticated and logged in here. And because this test account is the admin account, it actually shows this admin button here. Now, I haven't checked this yet, but if we click on it, in theory, we should see the listing for the tools and also the ability to edit and add a new tool. So let's check that out. Okay, so that appears to be working. We have this featured toggle. So I guess if we go in here, if everything's working, we can toggle this on and off. So ChatGPT was a featured one. We can update it. If we go back to the tools directory, now it's not featured. So this is really the power of Lovable Cloud. You can put in your project requirements and it can build it without actually having to create that database. We haven't had to do any authentication. We're actually good to go. So the next step is we want to sync this with GitHub. And to do this, it's pretty easy. Just head up to the top right and click on the GitHub icon. Click on that one and then click Connect to GitHub. Next, we want to import this project into Netlify. So just head to Netlify, find the project, import it. You can see I'm on this page here. I've called it AI Tool Ninja. So I'm going to deploy it now, and it'll give us a live URL where we can view the project on the web. So we've got a deployment in progress. In a second, we'll get a URL. All right, there we go. We have our URL. Click on it. We can see the app. Perfect. Now I'm going to sign in. Okay, now just check the admin's working because this is going through to a live database. All right, so that's all looking good. With the SEO, if we do a Control U on this page, we can see that this meta title is coming through, AI Tools Directory, discover the best tools, and we have a description. So that's okay for the overall generic meta tag. But if I go to, say, Midjourney, there's a very good chance I shall get the identical meta title, meta descriptions. And even worse, I got a page not found. But that's okay because we can fix this pretty easy. Head over to Online Ninja AI again, go to the classroom. We scroll down until we get to Lovable SEO. You'll see this one here under the Lovable Cloud AI Directory V2, and it says Dynamic Meta Tag Injection Prompt for Directory. We just want to take a copy of this, then we go back over into Lovable, and I'm going to paste this specification in, and it's going to tell Lovable the kind of SEO strategy we want and how to implement it. Not going to go through it, but just go. Now that is finished. The only thing we need to do now is enter in these environment variables into Netlify, and this edge function should fire and inject that HTML every time a page loads. So over on Netlify, you just go to project configuration, down to environment variables, add a variable, use the name of the variable and the value that it provided, save them here, and then when you redeploy your project from Lovable, these keys will take effect. Okay, I did run into one small issue and I've now resolved that. I needed to add a couple of extra fields in our tool listing. So we have this SEO settings, and this allows us to add the meta title in and the meta description in for each tool. So when that URL opens up for that tool page, we have the dynamic data that can be injected. So with that done, and I've refreshed the build, we can go back out to our live site. If I hit refresh here and we take a look at what is rendering on page load, we can see here we have the generic one. So this will be for the index page, AI tools directory, and then the description. If I go back to the app and we go to say Midjourney, which was the one we were just looking at, we can see here the title and description. This is unique. Midjourney, AI art generator for designers, and the description creates stunning AI generated art, etc. If we go back here, that's what we're seeing here. So that is all working. Google will be able to read those details. That'll allow the page to be indexed. And if you have 100 or 200 tools in the directory, they will all be indexed on Google, allowing people to find them and get traffic. All right, so that's how you build a directory using Lovable Cloud and Netlify. So again, if you want to get the cheat sheet for this, head over to Online Ninja AI, go to Lovable SEO, scroll down and get these PRD and the script. It will be the first link in the description.